Hi, this is Carrie Green of Carrie Through Coaching and Organizing Services, www.carriethrough.com, CARRIETHRU.com. Today I want to share with you something that I hear just about every single day. Clients bring this issue to me. People send me emails about it all the time, and it's something I really deal with a lot. And it's that feeling of overwhelm. The feeling of overwhelm when you wake up in the morning all excited, and I use the word excited in quotes, all excited to get the decluttering done. You've set your mind on it. Today's the big day. Today's the day you're going to clear your desk. Today's the day you're going to clear out the office. You're going to organize the living room, the TV room, whatever it is. Today's the day. And you walk into that room, and you're all set to do it. And you walk in, you look around, and you pick up a piece of paper, maybe two. You move a toy over, you pick up a couple of cups or saucers or whatever it is, and you stop. You look around, there's so much to do, you feel overwhelmed, you feel disgusted, and you walk out and say, you know what, tomorrow. Well, here's what's going on, and here's what I do with my clients to help them beat that feeling. The first thing I'm doing with my clients is we talk about the fact that there's probably more than one place that you need to declutter. And because of that, don't go in there with the feeling that you have to accomplish all of it today. You don't have to go in and do a clean sweep of your home or of your office. All you have to do is get started. And when you go in with that mentality, with that idea in mind, that you just have to do a little bit, the feeling of overwhelm is much more manageable. The key is, though, when you're doing that, is not to say, well, I'm going to do a little bit today and then come back to it sometime. The thing here is what you want to do is do a little bit today and a little bit tomorrow and the next day, or at least put a time on the calendar to come back to it. So to do a little bit will really help you beat that feeling of overwhelm. The second thing I do with my clients, because again, you walk into these rooms and there's so many different places to begin. So to beat that feeling of overwhelm, I generally suggest to my clients to start on the surface, to pick one little area in a room where it makes sense for you to start. Where are you going to get the biggest bang for your buck? Maybe it's on a floor so you can walk around the room safely and easily. Maybe it's on your desk so that you have somewhere to work. But just pick one little place to work and one little place to concentrate your efforts. Kind of close your eyes to the rest of it. And when you do that, the feeling of overwhelm subsides. I hope you found this information helpful, and please go ahead and rate this video and share it with all your friends, family, and anybody else who you think could benefit from it. And while you're at it, go ahead over to my website, and it's www.carriethrough.com, and that's spelled C-A-R-R-I-E, that's my name, Carriethrough, C-A-R-R-I-E-T-H-R-U.com. And while you're there, pick up the free e-course, which is 4 steps to getting organized, calm the overwhelm, create space, and reclaim your freedom. Have a great day, and I'll be talking to you soon.